How to update your motherboard drivers. So in this video tutorial we are going to learn about. So let me start with the video. Okay, so guys, there is a two method. Okay, so first method, you simply go to your device manager, come here in the your search bar and search for device manager here. Okay, then open that device manager. Then you can see here all the drivers of your motherboards. Okay, you can go to the view and select that show hidden device, so you can see the all drivers. Okay, now just select that drivers, motherboard drivers, and okay, so my motherboard network drivers is Realtek, so you need to select that and right click on it and just go to the update drivers. So now we have that window pop up. So here we have two options: search automatically from drivers. So this, if you select this, then your this option will search the drivers on internet and it will be installed on your device. So if I click on it, so you can see my driver is already updated, so it is showing the we have the best driver. Okay, so we can also search for drivers in updates window. I will show you where is this option available in window updates. Go to the settings, come to the window updates. Okay, we need to enable our updates. Okay, if you have disable your window updates, you need to enable it from here, or here you can see the check for the updates. You can check for the updates. Okay, or once your windows checked the update versions, you need to come here in advanced options and go to the optional updates. So here you can see some drivers on some need to update. So here you need to select that driver, whatever driver you will see here, you need to select that and update it. Okay, it is optional driver. Once your window update is complete, you can see your list. Okay, and you can also search here from here once you enable your window update setting. Okay, the second option, you can pick the drivers from your window on from your PC. Okay, and select the one by one drivers. First select first, then go to the next, it will be reinstalled on your window. Again come to the same window, select and click on the next, it will be reinstalled on your window. Okay, it is like your inbuilt drivers. Okay, and here you can search for on internet newest driver, it will be searched on internet and it will be installed on your PC. Okay, so that is the process. This is the first method. Second method I will show you. Here come to the search bar and search for system informations. Okay, and here you can see your system information, and under this you will see your motherboard details, like your motherboard manufacturer company and your motherboard, this is unique code. Okay, now just note down this unique code and come to the browser, any browser. Okay, come to the browser and search this code on your browser, Google. So you will see this company gigabyte and this is my driver code, motherboard code. Just select that. We have this motherboard, so here you can see this like this. Okay, in my case my motherboard company is gigabyte. Okay, so here you can see your motherboard. Now go to the support, or here you can see some drivers. Okay, or you can simply enter drivers after that code, then it will take you directly on the your driver page. So here you can see the all drivers of your motherboard. This is a wire like LAN, like Wi-Fi and all. You can see the date, so you can download updated date, updated drivers. So here we have some Intel installation, some drivers here. Okay, BIOS. Okay, and that drivers you can see. Okay, so you can download whatever you want from here. You can also search from select window 11 64 byte 1032 1064, and now you can download from here. Just download it and install on your PC. And here we have another options. The third step method is, you can find that spinny driver. Okay, spinny driver, search for spinny driver installer. This is a free software. I personally use this. Okay, so you can download from here, and after download you can just search a window like this and you can see the all list which list of drivers which you want to update. So you can select one by one or select all at once and install it on your PC. So this is the third method, you can use it. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.